Welcome back. Oklahoma families have until Monday to claim the advanced child tax credit, which could be worth up to $1,800 per child. Joining us today to explain a little bit more about all of this is Marcela Swenson. She's the executive director of Tulsa Responds. And Marcela, we're so happy to have you here today, kind of walking us through all of this. So let's start with the basics. So what exactly is the child tax credit, and then what do families need to know before that deadline coming up on Monday?
Great, well, thanks for having me. The child tax credit is an advanced child tax credit, so up to $1,800 per child if you register by Monday, as you said. But then there's a second payment that comes when you file your taxes in February. So it's up to $3,600 per family. The families that really need to be listening right now are those who did not file their taxes. So if you are a household who doesn't make enough to owe taxes, you may not have filed your taxes, and therefore you're not going to get this tax credit unless you register, which is very easy to do. It takes about 15 minutes, and it's free, very simple, and you will get $1,800 for children 5 and under, 6 and over $1,500, and again, when you file your taxes come the spring, then you get another check for that same amount.
Okay, let's talk about your organization a little bit. What are you doing along with, I believe it's Tulsa Financial Empowerment Center, to kind of let families know what to expect on Monday, and then if they have questions, do they contact you directly about that?
Absolutely. So my organization is Tulsa Responds. We offer free navigation services to Tulsans. We, for this program specifically, we will walk you through every step to get your child tax credit. You can do it online if you would like. You can go to getyourctc.org/Tulsa. It's a very simple website, but if you don't have a computer, if you are not tech savvy, if you just want a little bit of extra help, we're here to hold your hand and walk you through every step and make sure that you get that tax credit. The Financial Empowerment Center offers free financial counseling sessions, again, totally free, and this will help you make the most of that up to $3,600 child tax credit.
Okay, we've talked about that money too with the different kind of brackets that breaks down into depending on income. How much of a difference does this money make for families in this advanced form?
So they estimate that about 50% of households will be lifted out of the poverty line if they claim this tax credit, which is huge. It's $3,600 per child can really make a instrumental difference in these children's lives.
Okay, and if families are going to do this, do they need to have certain documents with them in order to claim this credit?
So most of the households now that are qualifying for the credit that have not received it yet are those who have not filed their taxes and therefore probably have lower income to report. So you'll need information on your child, their social security number, any income that you've earned, you'll want to have that on hand. But you can give us a call and we can help you know all of the documents that you need in advance.
And before we wrap up, I wanted to mention the group that you're with. You do more than just this, by the way, in terms of counseling. Can you quickly talk about some of the other stuff you offer?
Yeah, so we help enroll families for Medicaid, ACA, it's open enrollment now, so we can help you do that for free. We're getting families the emergency broadband benefit program, which is $75 off of your internet a month. And then free tax filing come the spring with Goodwill Vita.
Okay, and then we'll put your contact information online for people wanting to look that up.
Great,
All right,
thank you.
Marcela, thank you so much. Appreciate your
Thank
time
you.
and all that helpful information.